Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have been wondering how can you remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat? Then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're going to be using the Snapchat application on your phone, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, and search for Snapchat right here in the search bar. Find it and make sure you have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and for the process to go as smoothly as possible. Once you're done from that, go ahead and quit the store, and you can finally now go ahead and open Snapchat. Wait for the app to load up and make sure you are logged into your account, of course. Now head out to your conversations by swiping left from here, or just tap right here in the bottom to go to your conversations. And then from here, the best way to remove someone from your best friends list is to interact less with them. So basically talk less with them and snap less with them, and also sometimes leave them on red. I know it's kind of rude, but that's the best way to actually remove someone from your best friends list. If you don't want people to know that you have someone on your best friends list, so tap right here in the top left corner on your Bitmoji, and then go to settings by tapping here in this gear icon in the top right corner. From the settings, go ahead and scroll down until you find something that says customize emojis right there. So tap on it and then choose the BFFs or Super BFF or any emoji you want to change. Go ahead and tap on it and then choose a random emoji from here, so that next time people, when they see your screen and see that emoji next to conversations, they can never guess that they are your best friends on Snapchat. Now that is another method. The fastest way to remove someone from your best friends list is to actually unfriend them. So tap and hold on their conversation and then tap on manage friendship right here, and then go ahead and tap on remove friend, and they won't be on your best friends list on Snapchat anymore. And that is basically how can you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions and opinions about this video in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single question, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.